Here's a sensor for the magnetic air rides. I guess it's supposed to help you feel better, but to me, I don't really like it at all. I do not like this air ride. Here's a connector to the sensor. We're gonna figure out a way we can bypass this sensor. I don't like it. We'll put some regular struts. Plus, they want too much money for these. They're like $650 a piece at the dealer, OEM. I'll probably buy the OEM regular struts without the sensor. That's what we're trying to accomplish here. I don't like that that magnetize, whatever it does, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if the light turns on with that off. What do you think?
Probably.
Probably? Should I check and find out? Go ahead, do what you're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and oh, I can't open it because then it's gonna hit this, huh?
No, take out.
Oh, you didn't put a jack stand?
Not yet.
Oh, why wouldn't you? Here.
I just.
It's dangerous. It's dangerous. You know, I'll lift it up if you want for you. You don't want to not put a jack stand on there, man. You have to, guys, for safety. My mechanic, he's already 50 years experience, or 70 or 60. I don't know how old experience is he.
Go ahead.
And he don't want to put one on. I tell him he should for his safety. You know, it's for his safety. So do you know if the air ride is going to detect it or not? Is it going to say malfunction over here? See if it says magnetic air ride fault or whatever. Not yet. Oh yeah, you seen that? Suspension. It says suspension system. So yeah, when you plug, it's gonna give you the error code, but there's a way to bypass it. But I do not like it. Do you like that, Washington, or no? To tell the truth, I just have a feeling it's not good. You know what I mean? I guess Washington said it says, what size is these up there?
18s.
That's not an 18, is it?
Yeah. It's just got a big fucking...
Oh, you want the long one? I'll give you the long ones.
For this drive?
Yeah, for that drive. He's using short. If she's using shorty, so he's gonna struggle more. 18, you said, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm missing the 18 on swivel. Someone took it. 18, swivel long. I'm missing the 18 on other. I'm missing all my 18s. Huh? I don't know. I'm missing my 10, my 18. That's bullshit. That's not good. How are we supposed to work it? We ain't got no tools, man. It's not good. I hate it when people grab my stuff. 13. You have an 18. Here's an 18. You can use this one, but God, anybody always push my stuff. Here. Did you get the other one you need? The 14?
14?
Yeah, put it in fits on there. Watch. Put that one in there. It fits in there, so you don't have to struggle. The bottom one's a 15. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how many we have to remove a total? 1, 2, 3. 3 on the top.
2 in the bottom.
2 in the bottom. We've been in it how long? 5-10 minutes on there? 5 minutes? 5 minutes. And we removed the wheel already. 5 minutes around there. See how long it takes Mr. Washington with 20 years of experience. How many years?
40.
40? Oh man, I left this outside. I gotta put these away. This is my tool room right here, guys. Yeah. See what you guys think. What you guys think? The mail didn't come by today, or it did?
I didn't see it.
You haven't seen it come in at all? So you got the top ones off?
Yeah.
So we gotta work on this bottom ones. So this little bypass kit where you just plug it in, huh, Washington?
Yeah.
I think it's some kind of resistant. I can manage to make it myself. And This strut does look wear in the bottom. You see some oil in the bottom of it? It might be weared out. It might. Yeah, it is, because I don't like how it drives at all. Do we need brakes yet or no? They look good, like 50% thread still.
Yeah, they're big.
What's getting wear is these, look. You see that, right? Should we take it to get turned, or should I wait? It doesn't shake at all when I brake at all. But we're gonna have to do it soon, you know? Do you wanna, oh look, we didn't even need a bar, what, a bar, a 5-bar, what does it say? What is it called? Pry bar. Pry bar. Oh my God, we don't even need a pry bar. It's coming out through the bottom. I thought it comes out to the top. Look at that, damn. Was this easy, Washington?
Yeah.
And how much will the dealer charge you for this? Tell the people, the viewers, how much?
$95 an hour.
Yeah, and it took us how long? The video's only been 6 minutes and we already removed it on an Escalade 2020. 2020 Escalade, guys. 2020 Escalade, you guys. We're gonna put it on our working table. We're working on our compressor blew up, so we're gonna figure out if we could do something there to make it work again, and maybe get a new pump or something. Here's the sensor. Some kind of magnetism here, but I do not like it at all. Don't like it. Like, what can possibly 2 cables do to make this harder? Like, think about it. 2 wires. What can it do to make this drive better? I do not know. I'm thinking in my head, what can make it work better, and I do not know. I find it very hard to believe that it sends a signal and makes it harder, lighter. You know, I don't like that. I'm gonna put some regular struts with lifetime warranty on them, and I'll be able to change them if they ever go bad. And it's gonna be the same leveled. The truck's gonna be leveled the same and everything. You know. Also, my tail light went out. I don't know. I gotta replace that too. But yeah, we're gonna see if we could use the same ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's got 4 in the middle, so it should work for the other one. All right, let's do the other side, Washington. We're gonna go ahead and check the other side out. Let's see if it even needs it. Yeah, it looks shot out too. Washington grease.
Oh, coming out of it?
Yeah, like around it. So that, to me, that means it's out.
No.
All right. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. We're going to finish this up and we'll get part 2 going.